Wait a soapy minute. Why does Jentle Soaps use honey in their products? Well, most of them actually. Honey is one of my favorite products. It's a viscous liquid derived from the nectar of flowers and processed very meticulously by the honeybees here at Jentle Soaps. If you're interested in becoming a beekeeper, join a local beekeeping club in your area so you can learn about how to care for your bees. Me, I am just a backyard beekeeper. I get bees every once in a while and I take care of them. Some years the bees survive, other years I have to replace them. And it's a very, very hard time to be a beekeeper. Raising bees is not an inexpensive hobby, so if you're interested in it, please go to a club and learn about all the equipment you need, all of the care that the bees in your area will require, and get safety gear. You're going to need an EpiPen, you're going to need a suit, you're going to need a lot of things that maybe you didn't think about before you decided you wanted your own fresh honey. But I assure you it is worth every penny you spend because those bees are absolutely gorgeous, and the hard work that they do as they dedicate their lives to creating honey is worthwhile in every way. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this presentation. If you have any questions about being a backyard beekeeper, feel free to email me. Honey is a naturally occurring sweetener that is produced by bees of the genus Apis. Honey is a mixture of glucose, fructose, sucrose, and other naturally occurring sugars. It generally has a moisture content of 14 to 18% ideally. In cosmetics and personal care products, honey is used in the formulation of many products, including baby and bath products, eye, lip, and facial makeup, perfume, as a natural colorant in soap. It is also widely used in hair products, cleansing agents, and has been used in sunscreens and after sun treatments. Honey is a food product and has been used for centuries to sweeten and flavor other foods and beverages. Why is it used in cosmetics and personal care products? Honey is added as a humectant and a flavoring agent and a body conditioning agent. At Jentle Soaps, we use honey in almost all of our soaps. The honey we use comes from our own apiaries. I harvest small amounts of honey after the winter and during a nectar flow to rotate the comb and provide help to the hives and to nourish my family. One particularly fun fact is eating honey rich in the local pollens can help prevent or lessen any allergies you might suffer from your area. I find it is healing to wounds and often add it to salves, lip balms, and lotions, as the honey has naturally antiseptic properties. It isn't a substitute for proper medical attention, but it was used for centuries in poultices and other medicinal treatments. I particularly like to use it on small scratches and that kind of minor wounds. Now, the products that we use honey in include almost all of our soap, and this particular soap here, this gold soap is just, this cherries and gold soap is just wonderful. The melt and pour honey base is made with honey, and you can see it right there in the bottom. It's probably why I cut it so slowly, because melt and pour tends to be very hard and it's hard to cut with a wire cutter. Cherries and gold is also a hot process soap, so you notice the top of it is less polished than what you would see with a cold process soap, but it retains the natural properties of the honey, is our hope when using it in that particular format. I hope you enjoyed this presentation about honey and my bees, and they appreciate you too, because support in our company allows me to build hives and create the best environment for the bees at Jentle Soaps. Now, if you're interested in honey products, we have a white truffle honey and a black truffle honey and a vanilla bean honey. Those are available by custom order. You just request. They're very, very tiny jars because we have a very, very tiny apiary, but it's a really nice treat on crackers or on cheese. It's out of this world. And as you know, every honey has a different taste, just like chocolates from different regions taste different. So if you're interested in that, let me know and we can add it to your order as well. So you can get these cherries and gold soap at www.gentlesoaps.com. And as you watch me create, know that most of my soap does have honey in it. Now, we also use honey in thick liquid glosses when I want a bit of sweetness. You can use the honey that way. It does not combine well with oily bases, but I have read that the powdered honey does. So we will be looking at that and seeing how it feels on the lips, because that's often a consideration as well. If you have a gritty texture, it's not going to work. So we are playing with other forms of honey. Yeah. So we'll see y'all next time. If you enjoyed this Wait a Soapy Minute, please click like and subscribe and join us right back here at the Jen Spice channel, where I create and share and give tips and tricks. There's not tutorials, but there is some valuable information there I hope you can learn. And we'll see y'all next time. And don't forget, Gung Hei Fat Choi, Happy New Year. I am celebrating that with my friends from China this beginning of February. So I hope all of you who are also celebrating have a wonderful year of the pig this 2019. Bye guys, see you next time.